Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Google Gemini CLI on Linux operating systems such as Fedora, Red Hat, SUSE, Oracle Linux, etc. So first here, let's open this place terminal, and the next is here. So let's check this place. One second. So this place here, let's check node -v. Then you can see Node version 22 is already installed. Now npm -v. So this here npm 10.9 that already installed. So with the help of this npm that's going to install there Google Gemini CLI. So let's use this command npm install -g @Google Gemini CLI. So -g that's stand for global. Now press enter after giving this code, and now here you can see some download or process is going on. For this one net should be there. Now you can see added 631 package in 4 minutes, and 176 packages are looking for and npm. So this Google Gemini that's done here. Let's use clear command. Thereafter let's check their Gemini version. So Gemini version. So this version that install. Now they after opening this Gemini. So you need to write the Gemini at this, and now you need to wait for few second times. So this here that's open Google Gemini this, and here you can start with the login Google Gemini API key Vertex AI. So first option that's selected there. Now press enter. So this here waiting now, or this place you need to give the Google account. Okay, for CLI. So here let's give the Google account. Authentication successful. So this is authentication that's completed there. Then after this place you can see authentication succeeded. Now here Gemini CLI need restart. Place or now this place let's write there hi message, and now uh, here if I warning, okay, ask question, edit files, or run commands. Ask. So with the help of this, we can ask the question, edit files, and be specific for the best result, Gemini. So let's write there, hi. So this is now searching list of the path Gemini MD files use. So I give here hi, now returning hi, how can I help you today? So how to create app, and now this is currently searching for second. So here how this that's how and website. So give here how to create app. Now that's a great question. I can definitely help you. Website like eBlogger, mobile app, or desktop application. This tell me a bit how to create Android app. So this is now currently searching how to create Android app. inserting magic, a small go, stay inside wires. So how to get this here? I get this message and according to here given the question this is returning the output. Okay, so this is how we can install this Google Gemini on this Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.